The Jasmy coin 24-hour trading volume is up 16.7% in the last 24 hours with a total trading volume of $18.3 million across cryptocurrency exchanges, which is good if you ask me. Market cap is sitting slightly above $300 million. Now, if you're paying attention to the 4-hour time frame for Jasmy coin, we are currently trading around 0.006373. We are gradually making our way to this entry zone I gave you guys. This is the zone I'm going to massively enter Jasmy coin. The zone is between 0.0060 and 0.0059. That is the zone I'm going to take a heavy spot market position on Jasmy coin. If you're paying attention to what the weekly time frame is saying as well, we are currently almost retesting the range high, this falling wedge high, which we broke out from, which is now likely to act as a support territory. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. As a matter of fact, the retest is going to perfectly, on the weekly time frame, is going to perfectly align with the retest we are waiting for on the 4-hour time frame. If you're yet to like this video, smash the like button, destroy the like button. If this is your first time, my name is Isaac, you're welcome. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now, if you're paying attention, the entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index is currently seated at 43%, indicating fear. Yesterday was fear, but we were seated at 34%. So we've recovered slightly from the yesterday's market sentiment, which the more we push towards the neutral territory, the higher the chances of Jasmy coin exploding to the upside. So we need to just recover, begin to push into the neutral territory and eventually greed territory, and you're going to see Jasmy coin flying aggressively to the moon. It's already positioned on the weekly time frame to explode. The last time we broke out of this similar falling wedge, which was a few years ago, we exploded over 1,400% in price. That is over 14x for Jasmy coin to the upside. So only God knows what is going to happen by the time we get the proper retest and start moving this time around. But one thing is certain, we are going to explode past 1,000%, which is 10x for Jasmy coin. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. It's not over until it's over. We are going to talk about, let's even talk about the BTC price real quick to see how it affects Jasmy coin. BTC is currently trading around $80,491. Like I told you guys in the previous video, my entry zone on this futures market, where I'm going to be looking to long BTC, would be around $77,600 and $76,600. So this is the price level I'm going to look for a long entry on BTC. Whatever happens above here is none of my concern, because this is just an obvious ranging market. BTC is currently ranging. So we need to just do something for me to take a long position. So until then, I will continue to sit on my hands. And even if we start retracing, I'm going to update you guys on where to enter Jasmy coin on the spot market as well. And so if you're paying attention to the clarity art, there is a 68%. Okay, wow. Yeah. I think there's a 68% chance of the clarity art getting signed into law in 2026. Now, I think this clarity art is bullish for Jasmy coin, in my own opinion, because when it eventually gets passed into law, it will also greatly favor the Japanese Bitcoin, because clarity art reduces the US regulatory uncertainty around real utility and solid crypto project like Jasmy coin. In the long run, we can easily see a $30 billion, even a $50 billion market cap for Jasmy coin, which should catapult the price of Jasmy coin to $1. The clarity art is going to open the floodgate for institutional liquidity flow into the entire cryptocurrency market. And by the time the BTC dominance begin to crash, which signals liquidity flow from BTC, then Jasmy coin is going to be among the first the first 200 crypto projects to absorb most of the liquidity. Jasmy is currently ranked number 21st position out of millions of cryptos worldwide. Imagine being ranked among the 130th crypto out of millions of cryptocurrencies in existence. So it is obvious that by the time the liquidity rotation begins from BTC, and by the time external liquidity flow begins to rush into crypto as a result of the clarity art getting passed into law, Jasmy coin is definitely going to be among the projects to explode in price. And if you're still sitting on the sideline waiting for the best entry, if care is not taken, you might just end up missing out. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel. My name is Isaac. Peace out.